How are you? For the rock bar? Rock bar? Ya, register.
We need to register.
Berapa orang ibu? Tiga, udah sama. Ya, ibu register dulu sebentar. Ya. Rock bar. Asian food. How many? Two people. Ya, dia bukan rock bar. Ya, register name for the rock bar. Ibu udah ada tiket? Sudah ada. Siapa yang bawa? Iya, nanti yang di sini bawa. Ya, wait the moment for register. We are three people.
Yeah, this is our first time. There's a flower. Straight ahead. Oh, straight ahead. There is a water. I need to read it. Wow. Look, my gosh.
Subscribe.
What a beautiful view.
It's a line there.
Wow, so nice. Lovely. So lovely. So cute. Wow. Look at it. Ooh. So nice. It's fancy. Fancy. Wow, the big fish. Wow. Hi, fish. Wow. Tons of fish. Hello there. Hello. Hello. How are you?
They look pretty happy.
Yes, yeah.
Quite happy. Look at these ones.
The other one. And the other. Oh, wow. Wow. Hi there. It's so big. Big, nice.
Big and beautiful.
Really? So many fishes. Tons of fish. Tons of fish. Oh wow. Huh? They're asking food. Please, feed me, feed me, feed me. Feed me, feed me. I need food, I need food. Wow, that's big one. Hey there. Hello. Hi. Hello.
That's so funny.
Hi. How are you? How are you? See? Fish is talking to me. See? How are you? How are you? Hi. Yeah? Wow. So nice in here. So fancy. So, wow. Look at, there's also a small one there. Hello. Wow. Wow. There's flowers. What a beautiful flowers there. Ooh. This is a rock bar on the other side. Hi. Oh my God, man. If I know, we could swim there.
Yeah, I should have brought the babies.
Oh.
I don't know if we can swim there.
Or maybe. Not. Oh. There's a Calatucci. And yes, wow. So nice in here.
Probably nice at night time with the lanterns too.
Yeah, later. Right. The trees. Some trees. Oh, be careful with the steps. Ah, Quicksilver. Oh, there's some shops too. See it? Yeah. Oh, we can have a picture. Hello. Oh, because someone is taking picture. So we need to walk on this side by the sea. Oh, what is that? Gecko? It's a gecko.
I think it's a
Gecko.
lizard.
Ah, big lizard.
Should know.
Wedding.
Exclusive.
Yeah. So this is the rock bar. We need to get it. That's a pyramid. From here, so you can see the earth going down. Yeah, we can go. Ah, no, we cannot. Because it's close.
Can't go down
I
there.
can.
We're just looking. Instagram model.
Yes.
Pretty, isn't it?
The water is very nice. Ah, see, someone's taking picture.
Yeah.
Or, there, oh,
Yeah. Airport time.
yeah.
She is frolicking. Can you frolic, my love? And I will take you over there. Yeah. So it's frolicking.
Sunset. Because there is music, it's not allowed. This is what we call rock bar because there's a rock.
Yes. There's rocks and there's a bar.
Yeah.
You can have a drink.
Then after that, swim the ocean.
Yeah, there's a rock down there. Look at
Yeah, I think
that. Take on the waves.
big waves. So many reserve. So many reserved seats, tables. I think this that is a swimming pool on that side.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I
that's
can go
right.
there and how this is the oh wow. Wow, what a view. Rock ball. Ball. It's fancy here. Look at the down there. So nice. Oh. So there's a pool over there. Ocean beach. Yes. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful view down there. Oh gosh. You can see the mountain from far. Gosh. Wow. So beautiful. So lovely. Oh wow. This also, you can also go from there. I wish I have two-piece with me, but I didn't have any for now, so I cannot swim on the pool, which is very nice. The pool is very nice. Oh my god, so lovely. Oh gosh, really good.